Hey guys, today I want to show you this amazing application. They just got updated, okay? We're talking about Mediabox, and the new version is the 2.1.3. And guys, this is amazing. They did a really big update. So they also add animation animate section, and let me just show it to you guys. Okay, so on the bottom you have the discover. You got movies, TV shows, and search. So if you scroll to the right, you're gonna have different categories here. Your trending here. You're gonna have your media, people. You can search here as well. Okay, so on the top you have, if you go on the three lines on the top here, you're gonna find your favorites here, your history, your downloads, your settings. You can, hey, this is good. You can add your track account there, you build the breed, and you can do requests, help, and you can share. This is really good. You see the version there is the 2.1.3. This is really good, guys. Again, let's click here. Let's go to movies here. You gotta select movies and say, let's check this movie here, Avengers. And what we're gonna do, you're just gonna come here and we're gonna play the movie. Okay, you're gonna play the movie here, and look at this guy here. Look right in the left corner, autoplay. You got autoplay there. This is amazing. Okay, so which means it's just gonna pick up the best link and it's just gonna play. Okay, simple as that. Okay, so you don't have to be selecting the links. We'll do it automatically. So when find the best link, we'll do it for you. Okay, you can also pick your own links if you want to. So you know, but this is really good. Okay, see, just like that. Select the links for you. And here you have in the background. Okay, take it off there. Don't want no copyrights. And okay, again, if you hit play again, then you have all those links here. You can as well. You can pick your own link. Let's select this one here. Let's go back. Let's select this one here. Okay, autoplay. Okay, there we go. Okay, guys. So here as well, if you want TV shows, and this is really fast. This is one of my favorites right now as well. We'll be doing another video here. My top 5 APKs that I personally use. Okay, down here. For this one, you're gonna need a keypad or a keyboard. So scroll down. I will leave a link in the description where you guys can get one. Don't be afraid to use those ones. This is a really good application. You're gonna miss of really good applications here. Okay, so let's click this show here. Great, and okay, here we're gonna just play. I hit play. And right now I won't do it because I removed the autoplay. but if you want, you just can put it back, and again, we'll do it for you. Hey, I just don't want to make the video too long. Let me just plug it here and select the link. Okay, this one here. And just like that, you have it. Okay. You have some information of the TV show, and you got your season as well here. Season 2, speak to season 2, 3. Again, this is really good. You can add to your favors here. The top wheel you can add to your favors just by typing the heart there. You go back to the main screen. You go back to the three lines here, and you go to your favors. You go TV shows. Here you have it. Okay. So this is really good. Really good. If you want to search for something, you can just tap here, and you get it here. Okay, this is really good. Okay, now I will show you how to get this amazing application here. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the browser. Okay, and we're gonna go to my website here. So it's Android. Hey, Android Weezer Pro.ca. Okay. And here you guys. Okay, welcome to my website. So here we're looking for. Okay, I'm gonna go down. Remember, guys, you want to be protected. Get your IPVANISH. Okay, I will leave a link in the description here. You can get it from here as well, from my website. Okay, and be protected from any hacking, and keep all your privacy. You can watch all your APKs, use your bills, I mean, and you will be protected. Okay, here we're gonna be getting the Firelinked from here. Okay, we're gonna hit download, and we're gonna hit this green button here to get it. We're gonna go down here in the bottom, select like OK, and you're just gonna clicking open. And just like that, we're gonna scroll down and we're gonna install it. Hey guys. Okay, we're gonna open it. And here you guys have, this is my personal code. That's for my store. So please guys, subscribe to my channel, and you guys can join our channel, and you're gonna be getting all the new content that we'll be bringing to you, and all the new APKs that I'll be adding. There's over 100 APKs there that you guys can come and download anything you want. So we're gonna hit and continue, and we're gonna add this pin 0411. Okay, we're gonna hit OK. When you get here, that's my store, guys. Welcome to my store. Request from Android Weezer, please subscribe to my channel, and we're gonna hit the miss. And here you have, guys, I put it right on the top so you guys can pick it up easily, but you also can search for it if you want to. So we're gonna hit here this arrow in the right hand corner. We're gonna hit it, and you're just gonna quick download, just like that, guys. And you're gonna just hit it again, the play button there, and we're gonna just hit install. This is a really good app. This is most have APK for your boxes, so you can enjoy all your free content. Okay, you're just gonna hit done, and we're gonna open, and just like that, guys, you have it right here. Okay, see, this is the new section they add, the anime section here. If you're into anime, you can come here, and you just have to hit this little arrow here, and it's gonna give you all the anime content that they offer. Again, if you want to have, let's see, if you want the trending movies here, if you want the trending movies, just come here, hit the little arrow there, and bring you back here, and you guys can pick from here any movie that you guys want. This is really good with autoplay, and if you add your track account or your real the breed account, you're gonna have way more links. So yeah, okay guys, so that's it for today. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring in my next video. I will bring in my top 5 videos, my top 5 favorite APKs that you must have. Okay guys, so see you in the next time.